Infinix Tech Mobile is a unique blend of innovation, elegance, and high performance, crafted to meet the dynamic needs of the modern digital world. With a focus on affordability without compromising quality, Infinix has carved a special place in the hearts of mobile users. The Infinix Tech Mobile represents this philosophy, combining style and substance in a compact, user-friendly device. Its sleek design immediately draws attention. The phone's body has been carefully crafted with a premium finish that not only looks stylish but also feels comfortable in the hand. Whether it's the shimmering back panel or the slim bezels that surround the immersive display, every aspect has been designed with both aesthetics and ergonomics in mind. It is lightweight, making it easy to carry, and the perfect balance between size and screen space makes it ideal for both entertainment and productivity. The display is one of the most striking features of the Infinix Tech Mobile. It boasts a vibrant, high-definition screen that brings every image and video to life with stunning clarity and vivid colors. Whether you're watching a movie, playing a game, or browsing your favorite social media apps, the display delivers an immersive experience. The brightness levels are well optimized, making it easy to view content even under direct sunlight. The touch response is smooth and highly accurate, allowing for effortless navigation and typing. Under the hood, the Infinix Tech Mobile is powered by a robust processor that ensures smooth performance across a variety of tasks. Multitasking is seamless, whether you're switching between apps, streaming videos, or running demanding games. Coupled with generous RAM, the device ensures that lag is virtually non-existent. Storage is ample, giving users plenty of room for photos, videos, apps, and documents, and it can be expanded further with a micro SD card. Battery life is another area where the Infinix Tech Mobile shines. It comes equipped with a high-capacity battery that can easily last a full day on a single charge, even with heavy usage. Whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, the battery keeps up with your lifestyle. And when it's time to recharge, the fast charging support ensures you're back in action quickly. The camera system on the Infinix Tech Mobile is designed for users who love to capture and share their moments. The rear camera setup includes multiple lenses that work together to produce sharp,